Gretchen from Natural Horseman Saddles, and today I'd like to go over a little bit on how to change a domed concho. I like to think of my conchos as my flair, and by changing them up, I can change the whole look of my saddle. So here's what we're going to go through today. This is a regular concho turner. These are a little bit expensive, and honestly, if you're only going to use it once, it's not worth it. So I've Gretchgyvered a way for you to do this at home. So when you're getting going on your home Gretchgyver kit, you need 5 things. You need your drill. This is just like a bit extender, so you just need something that has kind of a hollow point to it that you'll be able to use as kind of a cushion for your maxi pad, duct tape, and scissors, kind of the home necessity kit with those 3 things. So take your maxi pad. I cut it in half. This just gives extra padding and cushion for cradling your concho once you start to turn it. Hook that onto our connector. All right, then we take our duct tape and we're just going to secure the bottom part of this maxi pad, just making sure that it's on there nice and tight so it doesn't twist once you've applied it to your drill. It doesn't matter, you kind of use your own judgment on how much duct tape you like to use. I love duct tape, so then you're going to turn your duct tape sticky side out, come over the top of your padding, then duct tape again around to keep your sticky side up and in place. And again, there's no rule of thumb on how much duct tape to use and how many times you do it. This is kind of a trial and error for people at home. But I love to change my conchos and wanted to offer this to everybody out there in case you want to change your conchos too. Put it in my drill and I'm ready to go. So now we've got our homemade Gretchgyver concho turner on our drill, and we're going to put the drill in reverse. Try to use something that you can get a little leverage with your saddle so you can put a little pressure on it. And we've got our drill on reverse, pressing down, and we're going to back out this Western filigree concho. And I forgot to mention, this is one of our barrel racing saddles. It's a gorgeous saddle in a medium oil. So we're taking that Western filigree concho out. See how easy that was? Maxi pad, duct tape. We're good to go. We're going to replace that one with this gorgeous turquoise. We're going to reset our drill. So we'll be spinning our concho in. Simple as that. You've now flared out your new saddle or your old saddle that you'd like to put a new spin on and a new look on. Pretty easy to do. Please check us out at naturalhorsemansaddles.com or contact us at saddles@naturalhorsemansaddles.com. Thanks.